As part of the Know Your Law campaign with the Sinas Dramis Law Firm, Lansing attorney Stephen Sinas is back with us today to talk about part 2 of the auto insurance coverage. Last time we discussed no-fault insurance benefits, Stephen. What happens if these benefits don't fully cover a person's auto accidents?
Okay, to recap, no-fault benefits cover all the person's medical expenses relating to auto injuries and 3 years of wage loss benefits if you can't work anymore because you got hurt. No-fault covers that regardless of fault. Okay, so that's really great coverage, but the question becomes if you can't work beyond 3 years and your quality of life damages, where do you get those from? You get those from the at-fault driver if there is one. So if you caused the accident, you wouldn't get those damages. If there's an at-fault driver, you pursue a claim against the at-fault driver.
So what if the at-fault driver doesn't have any auto insurance or they don't have enough insurance to pay those damages?
So liability insurance is the coverage that applies when you have a claim against the at-fault driver. Some drivers don't have enough liability insurance or none at all. They have to look at their insurance declaration page to understand whether or not it's there. So on the screen we have one of those. If the person doesn't have liability insurance who caused the accident, what you hope as the injured person is that you bought uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. So you need to ask your agent, did you buy that type of coverage? If you have it, that coverage kicks in from your insurance company and pays in the shoes of the at-fault driver. So it's a consumer protection coverage you buy for yourself there.
Speaking of liability, there's been a lot of talk lately about step-down clauses. What are they can you explain them a little bit more?
So what they are is that if a family member causes the accident and injures another family member in the car, that family member, the injured family member, can bring a claim against the other family member. But the step-down clauses say that that liability insurance the family bought drops down to $20,000 for that claim from the family member versus the family member. When if a stranger was hurt, that stranger would get the full amount of the policy. So they're kind of a sneaky provision. The companies that have been known to have them are USAA, Geico, Progressive and Grange. There might be a few others. Some of the bigger companies, Auto Owners and State Farm, I have not seen them in their policies. You want to ask your agent, do I have a step-down policy? Because you want to protect your family, obviously. So those are a big concern. Check to see if you have it or
And you
not.
said those are common with some companies.
They are common. So
very good information.
So the big point is if you're not reading your information, ask your agent because these are really important things to know.
That's right.
Yeah, really sit down with your agent, ask those questions, go over it. So good information again. Always appreciate you being here.
Thank you very much.
And of course, you can get more information at the sinasdramis.com. It's the website, or 394-7500.
And of course, we'll have all the information up on our Facebook page, so make sure to like us there and online as well. That's all our time for now on The Morning Blend. Thanks so much for joining us and make it a great day.